Hello everyone, welcome once again. Today we will be making something different which has a very enticing mix of flavors full of herbs, butter and olive oil. We will be making focaccia, the Italian bread. Focaccia is basically a flat oven baked bread. The style and texture is similar to that of a pizza dough. So without wasting time, let's get started. The first step to bake any bread is proofing a feast. So here I have taken 1 cup of lukewarm water. To it I will add 2 teaspoons of yeast and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Sugar makes the yeast more active. Now mix it very gently and keep it aside for 10 minutes in a warm place. Now after 10 minutes our yeast has proofed. We will continue with our further procedure. We will add in here 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt and 3/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now give it a good mix. Now add 3 cups of all-purpose flour to it. Mix it well with a spatula first or a spoon, and then we will use our hands for further kneading. Use cut and fold method to mix it well. Now with the help of your hands, make a soft dough. Our dough is now ready, but we have to knead it further for 5 to 10 minutes. Keep using oil in between to knead it so that it becomes very soft and greasy as well. This will help our bread to rise and it will make it more fluffy. We need to add oil in installments and then knead it further. Our dough is now ready. We will now grease our baking tray. You can use a rectangular tray, a square tray, a round tray, whatever you want. Grease it very well. Now pat the dough with your fingers, flatten it until the corners. Now we will cover it with a damp wet cloth. Keep it aside for approx 1.5 hours or until it has doubled in size. Now after 1 hour and 40 minutes my dough has doubled in size. Now we need to poke our dough with our fingers. We will grease our fingers with olive oil and then we will start poking our dough like this. You can see as I am doing this, my dough has become very fluffy and soft. You need to poke it all over. Now apply a generous layer of butter or olive oil on it. I have used butter, and along with the butter I have also used crushed garlic. Now sprinkle some chili flakes and along with it some mixed herbs. Now take some fresh veggies and decorate your bread the way you want. Here I am making a garden view. I have used carrots, capsicum, onions, tomatoes, olives and coriander leaves. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Now sprinkle some salt on the veggies. Focaccia is now ready to be baked. We will bake it for around 25 minutes at 200 degrees. As every oven is different, please check after 20 minutes. Our beautiful focaccia garden is now ready. We will brush it once again on top with butter or olive oil so that it doesn't get hard. We will demold it now. I'll cut a piece and I'll show it to you. You can now see the bread is so soft and fluffy. Do bake this amazing bread and I'm sure it will become your favorite tea time snack. You can also use it as an appetizer or in sandwiches. If you liked the video, do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes. Till then, happy baking. Bye bye.